In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Figma with Slack. By the end, your Figma updates will flow directly into Slack so your team can see design changes, comments, and mentions in real time without switching tools. Start by opening Slack and heading to the Apps section. On desktop, you'll find Apps in the left sidebar. If you don't see it, click More to expand your sidebar. This is where you connect Slack to the tools your team uses every day. Next, click Add Apps and use the search bar to look for Figma. You should see the official Figma app appear in the results. Selecting the right app matters here because it ensures you get the supported features and a smooth authorization flow. Click Install to add the Figma app to your workspace. If your organization restricts new apps, Slack may prompt you to request approval from an admin. That's normal in managed workspaces. Once it's approved, Slack will finish the installation automatically. After installation, open the Figma app inside Slack. You can do this from the Apps section or by using Slack's search at the top and typing the app name. Opening the app brings you to its app home, which is where you'll manage your connection and see any helpful tips from the integration. Click Connect Account to link your Figma account to Slack. A browser window will open asking you to authorize. Review the permissions so you know what information can be shared, then approve the connection. If your team uses single sign-on with Figma, you'll follow your usual login steps before authorizing. When the connection is successful, Slack will confirm it and you'll be returned to the app view. Finally, choose the channels where you want Figma notifications to appear. Think about where your team collaborates on designs, maybe a design review channel, a project-specific channel, or a private team space. You can start with one channel to keep things focused, and select additional channels as your needs grow. Choosing the right channels helps keep signal high and noise low, so only the people who need the updates see them. That's it. You've integrated Figma with Slack, connected your account, and directed notifications to the channels that matter. From now on, when activity happens in Figma, you'll see timely alerts in Slack, helping your team respond faster and stay aligned without chasing links or status updates. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more connected design workflow.